Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share with you some nice fruity muffins. I don't know why, but like this time of year always inspires me to try out new muffin recipes. So today we're going to make some Pina Colada muffins. You want to start out by draining the pineapple, and if you have bought rings as well and not the like little chunks, you want to cut it down a little bit, but that was just because I bought the wrong one basically. So you want to drain all the liquid from the can, and then you want to put them on a plate and sprinkle a little bit of rum. I'm using some different alcohol just because I didn't want to buy rum just for that. Now in a bowl you want to take your flour, the coconut, and some baking soda, and you want to give that a quick mix and set it to the side. As always, the exact measurements are down below in the description. In the second bowl you want to take your egg and you want to give that a quick mix. Then you want to add some sugar, some vegetable oil, and some pineapple yogurt. Now if you can't get pineapple yogurt, you can use like normal yogurt, just add a little bit more sugar, I guess, because this one is sweetened with the pineapple. Now you want to give that a good mix, and then you want to go ahead and add in the dry ingredients and mix that together to create a dough. Then you want to put in the pineapple chunks, but you want to keep out 12 of those, and the rest of them you want to mix in. But just put 12 on a separate plate so you have them later. Now you're ready to put the dough into your little muffin tins. And you want to bake those with 180 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. So then they should look like this. You want to let them cool down, and when they're cold you want to add about a small teaspoon of yogurt as well as 1 piece of pineapple on top to decorate, and then you are ready to enjoy. I really like these. I think they're nice and fruity, and they give you a little bit of a summer feeling in those winter days, so I hope you enjoy them as well. Bye!